and welcome to my video. This is my clamp that I use, incorporating coils, adjustable. When you can get it in. This bit holds it down, stops it from twisting. Note there's parcel tape on the bars to stop it sticking to the wood. Here I am, spreading it out just to make sure that the wood actually fits where I've got the clamps set. Yeah, it looks like all lined up nice. Yeah, that looks like it fits. Let's get some glue on it and we can show you how it works. Top view, make it a bit better. Get a bit of glue spread on. Nice and even. Don't need too much glue. Don't need it going all over. Just enough. Get a brush and spread it out. Make sure it's all nice and spread out evenly, covering every last little bit. There we go. Almost done. You put the sellotape or the parcel tape onto the bars to prevent the glue from sticking your panel to the bars. Works a treat. There we go. And get them laid out, making sure it's all level at one end. There I am, pointing to the parcel tape to show that it won't stick. All nicely lined up. Now put the top bar in, slot it all the way through to the back, and you put your first wedge in to hold it securely. Then put the other bars in, making sure they go right through. And then first job is to put the wedges in at the back, just to hold it down. You don't really need to knock them in too far. Just the panel that I'm making is a little bit thin. Then I'll put the front wedges in. And tighten them up. That holds the boards all nice and flat. So when the front wedge goes in, they can't go anywhere, they're all in line. Now I've had to use a packer there because the wedge isn't big enough because of the spacing of the holes in the bottom bar. Don't know whether to put the holes closer together or just continue using a packer, but it works. So, very cheap to make these clamps. You can make them out of easily 1/8 of a sheet of plywood, which in this country you can get a sheet of plywood for about £40, which means each clamp costs you about £5. So that's very good considering it clamps it in all directions. And as you can see, nice and flat. Here I am with my roofing square. Put that on. Show you a close up now. Sorry about the wobbly camera. But yeah, you can see it's all nice and flat. Bit more of a close-up there, better picture. Show you around it. I came across this idea because I didn't want to pay a fortune buying clamps, which are very expensive, just to do a few projects. So here I am showing you that it holds it straight and clamped down and clamped at the front there as well. So it's all dry now. There was 2 hours between the filming. Obviously I've just cut that out. And now I'm taking the wedges out. That's the top part. See how it's not stuck to the tape? Very good. No glue on there. So I'll take that front wedge out and drop it on the floor. There we go. See, the bottom bar is not stuck. Take the next ones out. Yeah, there I am saying there's no glue stuck on there. Take the wedges out and the top bar, no glue again. Same on that one. Tap the wedge out. All very quick. Wiggle it, there you go. Back clamp out there, yep. Take the bar out again. Again, free, no glue stuck to it. Just need to remove the front wedges. One wedge, one packer, and another wedge, another packer. So now, should be able to just lift it up. There we go. Not stuck to the clamps at all. Just put that on the floor for a minute while I clear the clamps out of the way. There we are. Panel all glued up. And I made all this out of scrap wood that I've found, pallets. The panel itself is made out of pallet wood. There you go, look. I'll give you a close up in a minute of just how flat it is. There's me saying, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Here we are, the close-up, I promised. There you go, look. Still got the glue on it, not been cleared off. But you can see it's nice and flat. At the back there, it rides on the glue. So it looks like there's a gap, but it's an even gap. And this is the clamp itself in all its glory. If you would like some drawings or to support the channel, I will leave a link to Etsy where you can support us. Thank you.